Hey there, drone enthusiasts! If you are on a budget but still want to soar the skies and capture breathtaking aerial shots, you are in the right place. In this video, we are diving into the exciting world of drones, especially the top 7 affordable drones under $99 with built-in cameras. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned pilot, these budget-friendly options will take your drone adventure to new heights without breaking the bank. So, let's get ready to explore the skies without emptying your wallets. Starting the list with the IDEA16 Drones, which offers an exceptional aerial experience with a range of impressive features that make them stand out in the drone market. Equipped with two 4K HD cameras, these drones capture breathtaking, crystal-clear aerial footage and provide a unique perspective with their 90-degree ESC camera angle. The drone also has a long flight time of up to 30 minutes. This gives you plenty of time to explore your surroundings and capture amazing footage. It also has an LED signal light that makes it easy to track in low-light conditions. Customize your flying experience with the IDEA16's 3-speed mode adjustability, catering to both beginners and experienced pilots. Moreover, the gesture control feature adds a touch of innovation, making it easy to control the drone with simple hand movements. In summary, the IDEA16 drones combine cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features, making them a fantastic choice for both hobbyists and professionals. Next on the list, we have the Holy Stone HS360S, a great all-around drone for beginners and experienced pilots alike. It has a 4K UHD camera with a Galaxy Core sensor, which produces high-quality images and videos even in low light. Weighing at a mere 250 grams, the HS360S is incredibly lightweight, making it a breeze to transport and maneuver. Its 85-degree wide-angle camera lens captures stunning panoramic shots, giving you a unique perspective on your surroundings. With the included remote control, piloting this drone is intuitive and user-friendly. What truly sets the HS360S apart is its impressive 10,000 feet long range transmission, ensuring you never lose signal, and its GPS function providing precise location tracking. Whether you are an avid photographer or an adventurer seeking breathtaking vistas, the Holy HS360S is your ultimate companion in the sky. At number 5, we have the TizzyToy Drone, a great option for drone enthusiasts of all levels, from beginners to experienced pilots. It features a PTZ 4K HD camera that takes sharp, clear photos and videos even in low-light conditions. The camera can also be adjusted remotely, so you can get the perfect angle for your shots. The front automatic obstacle avoidance feature is another great safety feature. It uses sensors to detect obstacles in the drone's path and automatically avoids them. The Wi-Fi FPV-RC quadcopter allows you to see what the drone sees in the real time on your smartphone or tablet, making it easy to fly and take photos and videos. The drone is a remarkable choice for both photography enthusiasts and adventure seekers. Next, we have the RiskOrb S27 Drone, a revolutionary aerial companion that elevates your photography and exploration game to new heights. Its standout feature, the 4K HD dual camera, delivers breathtakingly clear and sharp imagery that captures even detail from high above. The optical flow positioning and altitude hold functions ensures a stable flight, allowing you to focus on getting the perfect shot. One unique aspect is the LED fan blades, which not only add a mesmerizing visual flair but also enhance visibility during low-light flights. Its foldable design makes it highly portable and perfect for on-the-go adventures. The obstacles avoidance technology provides peace of mind while navigating tricky terrain, and hand gesture, photo or video control adds a touch of futuristic convenience to your piloting experience. Coming up next is the RADCLO Mini Drone, which is easy to fly and maneuver, and it comes with a variety of features that make it a fun and versatile drone. With its 1080p HD FPV camera, this foldable drone delivers stunning aerial footage that rivals larger drones. This mini drone stands out with its dual 800 mAh batteries for longer flights and a 90-degree adjustable lens for versatile shooting angles, guaranteeing perfect shots every time. The one-key takeoff and landing feature simplifies the flight process, making it suitable for beginners, while altitude hold guarantees a stable hover for steady recordings. The drone's ability to perform 360-degree flips adds an element of fun and excitement to your flights. In summary, the RADCLO mini drone is a versatile and user-friendly gadget that combines high-definition photography capabilities with convenient features for an exceptional aerial experience. At runner-up spot, we have the Zuhafa T5, a remarkable aerial companion that effortlessly combines cutting-edge features for an exceptional flying experience. Its 4K HD camera captures breathtaking aerial shots with stunning clarity, ensuring your memories are preserved in the highest quality. The RC quadcopter with return home feature makes it easy to bring the drone back to you if it gets lost or out of range. The 40 minutes flight time gives you plenty of time to explore and capture amazing footage. For thrill seekers, the 3D flip capability adds a fun dimension to your flights, allowing for daring acrobatics. Whether you are a novice or a seasoned pilot, the one-key returning function ensures a stress-free and safe flight. The Zuhafa T5 is an exceptional RC quadcopter that offers a delightful blend of innovation and performance, making it a must-have for drone enthusiasts. Finally, at the winning spot is the GoolRC S66, a small and portable drone that is easy to fly even in windy conditions. Its 4K camera delivers stunning aerial footage and crisp photos, allowing you to capture memories in high resolution. The one-key takeoff, land, and return function makes flying a breeze for beginners and adds an extra layer of convenience. Gesture photo and video capture adds a fun and interactive element to your aerial photography experience. The 3D flip features adds a dash of excitement for those seeking some acrobatic action. With a 2.4 GHz control frequency, you will enjoy responsive and reliable control over the drone. The inclusion of 3650 mAh batteries extends your flight time, allowing for more capturing opportunities. Overall, the GoolRC S66 mini drone is a great option for anyone looking for a compact and easy-to-fly drone with a good camera. So that was all about the top 7 cheap drones under $99 with camera. Hope you found this video helpful, and if so, please feel free to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel to receive notifications about our latest videos. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and we'll see you in the next video.